welcome to session 5. In session 5, we are going to look at another story which is given to us to understand what is happening in the classroom. Shabnam is in a fix. She has a decision to make. I have 2 chapters left to revise for tomorrow's test, but it's time for my favorite TV program. I am dying to watch it, but if I do that, I won't have time to finish my revision. Shabnam, why are you looking so worried? I want to watch this TV program, but I have a test tomorrow. If you all watch TV, I will also want to watch it. I have an idea. What if no one watches TV tonight? Then I may not have been tempted. It's a good thing I did not watch TV. There are so many questions from the last 2 chapters. Similarly, it's a situation where given that children often get these temptations when in the family people watch TV. But she took a bold decision and stopped watching this one. So now looking at the Constitution's perspective, similarly the Constitution helps us to protect us against certain decisions that we might take that could have an adverse effect on the larger principle that the country believes in. For example, it is possible that many people who live in a democracy might come to strongly feel that party politics have become so acrimonious that we need a strong dictator to set this right. This is a feeling what we all get after observing the party politics, the games played by the political party leaders to be in power or to hold particular positions. So we are swept by the emotional race. They may not realize that in the long run, dictatorial rules goes against all their interests. Dictators can impose emergency. Dictators can suspend all our rights. Dictators can even dictate the hairstyles, the body languages, the subjects to read, the jobs to do. So, a good constitution does not allow these whims to change its basic structure. It does not allow for the easy overthrow of provisions that guarantee rights of citizens and protect their freedom. So it's very important for us to have a constitution which safeguards us at the time of crisis and adverse effects. Though you are carried away emotionally, there are lines and guidelines given by the constitution to protect us from that kind of adverse situations and stop us from taking any emotionally carried away decisions. So from the above discussion, we understood that Constitution plays an important role in democratic societies. This is the key point what we learned in session 5. So Constitution protects us against certain basic decisions that might take that could have an adverse effect on the larger principles that country believes in. Now let's move on to the Constitution's key features in session 6. Stay tuned. We'll catch you there.